Hey guys, in this video I shall make a connection between Google Calendar and Java using Gradle and also display event in terminal or command prompt. The following operation requires Linux as it provides more flexibility for performing tasks. Output can later be used in any framework like Spring, JSP, Hibernate, etc. Let's go to Google and search Google Calendar Quick Start Java. Go to developers.google.com link. Requirements are first Google account with Google Calendar enabled. Let's go to calendar.google.com and create an event. The red line is the current time, so make the event after that red line. Now open file system. Create a folder in home with any name, in my case Google Calendar. Open that folder in terminal. I already installed Java and Gradle but still show you the commands to install them. Sometimes you get older version of Gradle, so you can upgrade it by using this command. Then click on Enable Google Calendar API button. Select web server. Now type same URL as I showed you. Make sure that C in callback is capital. Click on create. Download configuration. Remember that sometimes the file gets renamed if the same file name is already exist. Now in our newly created folder, create another folder with name callback, C capital. Now in terminal, go inside callback folder using cd command. Check if you have installed Java and Gradle correctly with required version. Now type the command they provided. Type 1 to select Groovy and press enter. For second question, don't type anything, press enter directly. If you check folder, some folders and files were automatically created. Now paste the second command, which will create more folder in your project. As per instruction, copy paste credential.json file from downloaded folder to this path. Make sure to rename as credentials.json if the name is different. Next instruction is to copy paste the Gradle code in build.gradle file. After that, we have to create a Java file at location as they told us. Paste the code in it. Here remove underscore read only if you also want to make changes in calendar events. Now let's run the command Gradle run. It shall directly open link in browser, but there is an error called redirect URI mismatch. Go to Google Console. Left top menu, APIs and services, and select credentials. As you can see, the top client ID is what we created on 7th of June. Click on it, add URI. Make sure to make same configuration as I do. If you see in Java code, the port number is 8888. So change that port number in configuration. Also go to main callback folder and inside token folder delete the file. Let's clear terminal and rerun the command. It automatically opens the link in browser and you can see this page. Select your Google account, click on Advanced, go to Quick Start Unsafe and allow. You will see this message. Now if you see it in terminal, you will see the upcoming event that we created at the beginning. Let's rename it to verify. You can also create multiple events that will not be a problem for program to execute. Now you can close terminal and rename the folder. Now open the rename folder in terminal with same command and there will not be any problem in the future. In next tutorial I shall show you how to get all events and display them on browser using JSP framework through Gradle. The required links are given in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.